Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn to generate the test cases and automation scripts using the AI from the application UI. So what we will do is that we will take a screenshot of the UI of the application, and using that one, we will generate the test cases and automation scripts. So let's begin. AI is progressing so fast these days, and today what you can do is that you can generate the test cases and automation script from just an image of your application. So what you need to do is that you need to go to the ChatGPT, log in with your account, and for example, I'm taking Orange HRM, and this is a screen. So what I'll do is that simply take a screenshot of this one. So simply I will take a screenshot of this one here, and you see that even I'm not covering the URL. Okay, so I'm just taking a screenshot of this particular area. Now we have this screenshot. Okay, so simply I'll copy this one and go to the chat GPT here, and here you need to paste this one. And what you need to do is that you need to tell that AI write the test cases for this particular screen, okay, or the web page, right? So write positive and negative test cases from above shared web page image, okay, and just press enter. Now it will analyze this image, and based on the shared login page of Orange HRM, you see the power of AI, and here are the positive and the negative test cases. So valid login with the correct credentials, and you see that it has actually picked, the correct or the valid credentials admin 123 from this image, right? If I go here, you see that it says that the valid username and password is this one, right? And now username field, password field, login heading is visible, branding logo is visible, all the test cases. And even what you can do is that you can ask the chat GPT or AI to format that into a particular format for you. Okay. And negative test cases here, you will see that this is login with incorrect credentials and everything. So even you see that, let me know if you would like these as a downloadable table or formatted for the test case management tools like Excel, Jira, and Tester. So just from the image, it creates the test cases for you, right? And once the test cases has been, created from the image, you can ask the AI, write Selenium with Python script on above valid test cases. Okay. So now based on the test cases generated, it will, write the automation scripts for you. Just providing the image, and you see that it will be writing the complete script, and even with the assertions as well. You just need to copy and paste every test case with the naming conventions. Everything is being provided by the AI itself. Branding, logo visible, login heading visible, everything, right? Now let's take another example. For example, let's go to google.com, and here let me take a screenshot of this one, Google one, and here let's this one, and now uh, copy this one, and simply what I'll do is that I'll go back to the ChatGPT, and I'll say write manual test cases for this as well, and just paste this one. Now this time it has a Google. Now this is a different context. The context is different. Previously we asked the ChatGPT for the online HRM. Now we are asking for the Google, different application. Okay, so simply press enter, and it will recognize that this is different one. So here you see that here are the many test cases for the Google search homepage UI dark mode. You see the power of AI over here based on your screenshot, right? So module this positive value test cases, URL, your positive test cases, logo is visible, then search bar accepts input, then Google search button is clickable, I am feeling lucky button works. So all the test cases is continue writing all the test cases for you. So you see that links in the header are present and clickable. Verify, about, store, Gmail images are clickable. About, store, Gmail images are clickable, right? So you see that just from a screenshot, you can generate the test cases for your web application. Now, this was a image. What if we provide an image of a wireframe? So wireframe is just let me show you the wireframe over here. So I have this wireframe and this wireframe. Okay, so what I'll do is that let's see if ChatGPT is able to write the test cases even from the wireframe or not. Okay, so again, copy this one and go to the ChatGPT and see if ChatGPT is able to generate the test cases from the wireframe or not. So simply go back to the ChatGPT and I'm pasting the wireframe. So this time I'm telling the AI that write the manual test cases from wireframe provided above and press enter. So when we are developing a software, so initially we draft the wireframes and from the wireframes we basically start working on the things. So even from the wireframes you can see that ChatGPT is able to generate the test cases for you. And once the test cases has been generated, you simply need to write another prompt and ask the ChatGPT or AI to create the automation scripts from those particular test cases, right? So even you see that from the wireframe is working. Now, if I go back to my desktop and I have one mobile app design over here for the demonstration. So simply, again, I will get this area and I will just copy this part from here and let me go back to ChatGPT and paste this one. I'll say write the manual test cases from above image which is related to mobile app. So I'm telling that this is a mobile app. Okay. So just press enter and see what happens here. So here are the manual test cases specifically written for the mobile application testing based on the wireframe image of the contact page you shared. You see that? That's the power of AI. So based on the design, the UI itself, now you will be able to generate the test cases and you can create the scripts just from that particular UI. So as a testers, you might have encountered a various scenarios and many times where you have been assigned to a project where you don't have the knowledge of that particular project. You might be struggling with writing the test cases. Now that is really easy. Just provide the screenshot to the AI and it will generate the test cases. So in this way, it will help you to explore the application, test the application at the same time, and it will save a lot of time when you are working as a tester.